Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious Mapo Tofu. We'll start by gathering all the essential ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of soft tofu, 8 ounces of ground meat, and 2 tablespoons of fermented black beans. Don't forget your aromatics like minced garlic, grated ginger, and chopped scallions. Having your dobenjiang, soy sauce, and a touch of sugar ready will make the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's build the flavor foundation for our Mapo Tofu. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in your wok. Add the ground meat and cook it until beautifully browned, breaking it up as you go. Next, introduce the minced garlic, grated ginger, and fermented black beans, stirring for about 1 minute until their aromas fill your kitchen. Finally, incorporate the dobenjiang, letting it cook for another minute to deepen its savory notes. With our flavorful base ready, it's time to add the star of the dish, the tofu. Gently place the cubed soft tofu into the wok, taking care not to break the delicate pieces. Pour in 1 cup of broth, along with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Bring this delightful mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the tofu to soak up all those wonderful flavors. Remember to taste and adjust the seasonings to your preference. For the perfect finish, we'll thicken our sauce. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water to create a slurry. Slowly pour this into the simmering tofu, stirring gently until the sauce reaches your preferred thickness. Remove it from the heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorn powder for that authentic, numbing sensation. Garnish with fresh chopped scallions and serve your delicious Mapo Tofu immediately with steamed rice. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.